Former Karnataka Minister Varthur Prakash and his driver were allegedly kidnapped, assaulted and extorted by a gang. Both the former minister and the driver were reportedly in accused custody for 3 days. The crime took place on the 25th of November when both were picked up by the accused on their way to Kolar. The driver fainted and escaped when the accused thought he was dead. Worried that the driver may inform the cops, the gang abandoned the ex-minister by the roadside and fled. An FIR has now been registered against 8 people. Neha Hebale is joining us for more details. Neha, this is quite a chilling incident here that has happened. If you can take us through the entire details.
Well, absolutely, Avni, in a very dramatic, in a filmy style almost of sorts, we're seeing how this former minister and his driver were not only kidnapped, assaulted and extorted, but, so much so that let's just take you back to when it all began on the 25th of November, when this particular person over here in concern, the former minister and his driver, left the farmhouse in Kolar. They were headed towards Bengaluru is what, we understand. And just a kilometer after traveling is when 2 cars with 8 people intercepted them. They've then, actually demanded a ransom of almost about 30 crores. And on refusing to pay this amount, they were actually pushed into the back seat. Their eyes were blindfolded. They were driven to to an unknown location where they were further assaulted. Unable to bear this torture, you have him, then contacting his aide. And 48 lakhs was actually handed over to the kidnappers. Now, following this, the kidnappers demanded more money. Let's remember that they had demanded a ransom of 30 crores in the beginning. And after demanding more money, when, of course, this former minister refused to pay up, they've further gone on to assault the duo. And following this, we understand on, 27th is when this former minister's driver, Sunil, actually fell unconscious, and having mistaken him for being dead, the kidnappers, started to worry. They started to, decide the next course of action. In the meantime, you have this driver who's managed to escape and, after, of course, these kidnappers started to look out for him, is when they've decided that he may approach the cops and he may complain, which is why they've also fled the scene along with this former minister, Varthur Prakash. And on the way, of course, in the middle of the escape is where they've dropped him off in Shivanapura, which is in Hoskote, again, close to Bengaluru on the outskirts. And following this, once his car was actually found abandoned in the Whitefield police station limits near Bellandur, is when the police have, of course, called him for interrogation. Is when he's given him the whole, given the police the whole account of what's really happened here. But a very, very chilling incident coming to light here, Avni. What remains to be seen at this point in time is how long it takes for the police to actually arrest these accused. And, we understand that CCTV footage is being scrutinized right now from this entire trail, the journey that they've taken. And following which 8 persons have been booked right now, unknown persons. An FIR has been registered against them, but they are yet to be arrested.
All right, Neha, thank you so much for getting us all of those details. We'll, of course, keep track of this case.